Today we're going to be making Don Pablo's Sopapillas. If anybody's had Don Pablo's or had their Sopapillas, you know that those things are amazing. So this is a recipe that I've come up with that really is almost identical to the Don Pablo's Sopapillas. To start off, we need 1 cup of sugar, and then 6 tablespoons of butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 6 tablespoons of water. Then bring up the heat. Actually, I'm bringing this right up to a high heat because we got to bring this up to a rapid boil and get all this melted together. And the sauce is the most important ingredient to the Sopapillas. We're going to do this first because it's got to cool a little bit before we pour it over the Sopapillas. It's just now starting to boil, and we got to keep stirring this. And we got to keep an eye on it so it doesn't boil over. So once it comes up to a rapid boil, you're going to have to turn the heat way down and let it sit there and foam up a bit. And we'll do this for about 3 minutes. And we want to get this up to about 215 degrees consistently. And we're about there right now. So we'll call this done and we'll let this cool and we'll start working on the tortillas. And we're going to cut these into quarters. Doesn't have to be pretty, it just has to be good. So we got ourselves a frying pan here, big enough to hold our tortilla quarters. I got 5 tablespoons of coconut oil here, and we'll just put it right in the frying pan. And we're going to heat our coconut oil up to about 350 degrees. And I've got this on a low heat because we don't want to overcook these tortillas. So I just put 1 layer in, we're just cooking 4 at a time. Now that these tortillas are starting to bubble up, you can see them bubbling up real nice, let's flip them over. And we'll just brown these up a little bit on that side. Doesn't take very long at all. Look at that, those are looking really good. So when they're brown, let's just go ahead and shake off the excess oil and put them on a paper towel to soak up the rest of the oil, because we want these crispy. Well, crispy on the outside, but soft on the inside. And let's stir up our sauce really good and just pour it over the tortillas. That looks amazing. Now, some people like to put powdered sugar on their Sopapillas, but I like ice cream. So put a scoop of ice cream and some of that sauce right on top. This, I think, tastes exactly like Don Pablo's. So thanks a lot, guys, for watching, and my mouth is watering. Take care. See you later.